Are you looking to add headers and footers to your PDF files in Adobe Acrobat, whether for professional reports, school assignments, or easy document organization? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete process step by step, so by the end, you'll be able to customize your PDFs with page numbers, dates, or any text you need, all neatly positioned exactly the way you want. Let's get started. First things first, open up Adobe Acrobat and launch the PDF file you want to modify. If it's tucked away in your downloads or deep in a project folder, don't worry, just locate the file and open it, making sure you're working on the correct version. It may seem like a simple step, but starting off on the right document saves plenty of headaches later. Once your file is open, head up to the top of the Adobe interface and click on the Tools tab. Think of the Tools tab as a giant toolbox. It houses all the functions you need for editing. From here, find and click Edit PDF. This is your gateway to making changes, as it unlocks a set of editing options just for your document. In your new toolbar, look for an option labeled Header and Footer. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. If you've never used headers or footers on this PDF before, select Add to start fresh. However, if your document already has a header or footer from a previous version, choose Update to modify what's there instead. This way, you don't need to start over. You can simply tweak and refine. Next, you'll see the Add Header and Footer dialog box appear. This is where the customization happens. Here, you can set the font style, size, and color to match your branding or personal preference. For example, a clean sans serif for professional vibes, or maybe bolding the company name for emphasis. You'll also notice margin controls for the top, bottom, left, and right. These margins determine exactly how close your text sits to the edge of each page, and adjusting them helps ensure everything looks tidy. Nothing awkwardly cut off or sinking into the body of the document. Now, let's talk about entering the actual content. You'll see 6 boxes, 3 for the header, left, center, right, and 3 for the footer. This layout gives you flexibility. Maybe you want your report title on the left, date in the center, and page number on the right. Simply type your chosen text in the appropriate box. If you want to add dynamic information that updates automatically, like page numbers, total pages, or today's date, look for buttons near the text fields. For example, you can create that classic page 1 of 10 by typing page, clicking the Insert Page Number button, then typing of and clicking Insert Total Pages. These automatic entries are super useful for readers. No more hunting for page counts or wondering when a document was printed. By default, your header and footer changes will apply to every page in the document, which works great for most uses. But let's say you only want them on certain pages, maybe just the even-numbered pages, or only a specific range. In that case, click the Page Range Options link in the dialog, which lets you set custom page ranges. This control can be especially handy for lengthy PDFs or multi-part documents. Before finalizing your changes, use the preview window in the dialog box to check your work. Take a moment to make sure everything lines up and looks polished. Maybe adjust the font size if it seems too small, or tweak the margins if anything feels cramped. If something looks off, don't worry. Just adjust as needed and preview again. When you're happy with the look, the final step is to click OK. This will apply your headers and footers to the document. To lock in your changes, go up to File, Save, and save your PDF. That keeps all your hard work intact. If you want a backup, feel free to use Save As and create a new version. And there you have it. You've successfully added headers and footers to your PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, share your questions or tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing!